Hey YouTubers, this isn't a very long video, but I just had to show you this. I'm making liquid soap. The soap part's already made, and now I'm pouring in the water. And look, it's making paste. Can you see that? Look at that, isn't that great? It's the most beautiful color. This is my water to dilute. And you pour it right in the pot, and it makes paste. Let me show you. And you do have to mush it around, and look at this. You see that? You see that paste? Well, it will dilute in this pot. Look at that. It's gorgeous. So I'm going to add more water. This is so awesome. I'm going to add more water. Sorry, my hand right in the way. See that liquid soap down there? And there's the paste. But I'll add more. And yeah, you only add a certain amount. And then, look at this. And it just makes the most beautiful paste. And I hold back just a smidge of water. That way, if I need to add borax to bring down the pH a little, then I will. But normally, this recipe is awesome, and I don't have to do that. And so I usually just, look at that, it's so cool. I usually just use all the water, but I always hold a little bit back until it's diluted, and then I test it. Now I have this big chunk of paste in here. You see that? And it needs to be broken down so it'll dilute faster. And what I'm going to do is show you the other pot, because this is the second one I made today. It goes so fast. I make it within like 30 minutes, it's done. It's crazy how fast it is. But anyway, oh, and you see these bubbles? Spritz it with alcohol and they go away. So that's diluting right now. If I left it like that, it may be all diluted in the morning, but probably not. So I take a potato masher and I squish up that paste into little tiny bits, and then it's much better. But hold on, I'm going to pause and I'll show you the one that's almost done diluted.